Hello there and welcome. Today, we're going to talk about a wonderful little feature on your Chromebook that can make typing so much easier. Let's jump right in.
Sometimes getting your thoughts down on the screen can feel like a real chore, right? Maybe your fingers get a little tired, or you just think a lot faster than you can type. Well, what if you could just speak and have the words magically appear? Well, guess what? You can. Your Chromebook has this fantastic little helper built right in. It's a feature that's designed to listen to you and do all the typing for you. And the best part? You don't need to download anything or buy anything extra. It's already there, just waiting for you to use it. Now, the official name for this tool is dictation. And what that means is it turns your spoken words into typed text. It works pretty much anywhere you can type. Think about it. Writing an email, searching for a recipe online, or even working on a document. You can just use your voice instead of the keyboard. Okay, so before we can start talking to our Chromebook, we just have to flick a little switch to turn it on. Don't worry, it's a super simple one-time setup. You only have to do this once, and then it'll be ready to go anytime you need it. Let's just walk through this together nice and easy. First, you're going to open up your Chromebook settings. Then, have a look around for a section called Accessibility. Once you're in there, you'll see the word Dictation. All you have to do is click the little switch next to it to turn it on. And that's it. See? I told you it was simple.
All right, you did it. The setup is done. Now for the really fun part, actually typing with your voice. And believe it or not, there's a magic key combination that makes it all happen.
It's really simple. That key with the little magnifying glass on it, that's your search key. All you have to do is press and hold that search key and then tap the letter D. A little microphone will pop up on your screen, which means your Chromebook is now listening. And when you're done talking, you just press those same two keys, search and D, to turn it off again. Easy on, easy off. So you might be thinking, that's great, but what about punctuation? What about periods and commas? Well, you can do that with your voice too. You don't have to stop and hunt for the keys. You can just tell your Chromebook what to do while you're talking. It's honestly as simple as it sounds. When you get to the end of a sentence, just say the word period. Need to add a little pause? Just say comma. If you want to start a new paragraph, say new line. And hey, if you make a mistake, it happens. No problem. Just say delete the previous word, and it's like a tiny little backspace button for your voice. We've actually covered everything you need to know to get started, so let's do a quick little review of the most important parts, just so it all sticks in your memory. It really just boils down to a few simple things. If you remember only one single thing from our little chat today, please let it be this: the search key plus the letter D. That's what turns voice typing on, and that's what turns it off. It's your start and stop button for everything. So let's put it all together. First, you do that quick one-time setup in your settings inside the accessibility menu. Second, whenever you want to type with your voice, you press search plus D. And third, you just talk naturally, remembering to say your punctuation out loud, like period and comma. That's the whole shebang. And there you have it, a super simple way to get all your thoughts onto the screen without having to do all that typing. I really hope you give this a try. It might just become your new favorite way to write things. Thanks for spending a little time with me today.